Now, before the opening bell, U.S. indices trading higher on Friday, led by shares in the real estate, household and personal products, and consumer durables and apparel sectors. Advancers ahead of decliners as 87% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher Friday. Now, after the market closed last week, Tenet Healthcare Corporation concluding a deal to buy United Surgical Partners International for $2.5 billion, reported by the Wall Street Journal, citing sources familiar with the matter. FMC Technologies announcing the formation with Technip of a 50-50 joint venture named Forces Subsea that will unite the skills and capabilities of two Subsea industry leaders. And Brixmor Property announcing secondary offering of 22.5 million shares of its common stock. Turning overseas, Asian markets positive today. The Nikkei up just under 1%, the Hang Seng up just under 0.5%, while South Korea's Kospi, that's down 0.03%. European markets are negative, and U.S. futures, they were calling for a soft opening. And turning to the U.S. markets, there are no major earnings expected today. While on the economic front, 8:30 in the morning, February Chicago Fed National Activity Index expected at 10%, while we also have existing home sales figures at 10 a.m. in the morning. Now, regarding the trend on indices here in the U.S., Trading Central says the S&P 500, that's in focus as it is seeing a slide and then a rise. The contract is challenging the rising 50-period moving average, even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out. Its extent should be limited. Long positions above 2070 are favored, with targets at 2108 and 2118 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that's on the upside, preferring long positions above 4373, and the Dow Jones on the upside as well, preferring long positions above 17,765, with targets at 18,070 and 18,180 in extension.